The Smart Review presents the 5 best programmable coffee maker. Let's get started with the list. Starting of our list at number 5. Jura Impressa J91 Touch TFT. Jura's Impressa coffee systems are some of the most loved in the industry. Their Impressa J9 has everything you need to brew a range of coffee drinks, from a simple cup of coffee to exquisite lattes and cappuccinos. A super simple user interface on a TFT display makes it a breeze to brew drinks to your exact specifications, and the settings are highly customizable for strength, size and temperature. The powerful 6-level conical grinder has heads made of hardened steel for durability. A stainless steel vacuum milk container keeps milk fresher longer, while fine foam technology ensures a perfect froth every time. The height-adjustable spouts allow you to brew into coffee cups of all sizes. Coming of our list at number 4. DeLonghi ESAM 3500. The 1150W DeLonghi ESAM 3500N is capable of preparing a wide range of coffee drinks including lattes, cappuccinos, coffee, espresso and more. You can easily brew directly into the 12 Oz cups Demitasse or espresso, thanks to the height-adjustable coffee spouts this model comes with. The ESAM 3500N features programmable menu settings, meaning that you can easily adjust the coffee temperature, water hardness, the 1H to 3H automatic shutoff, start time and clock. Regardless of how picky you may be when it comes to coffee, you'll definitely get to prepare a delicious cup of your favorite blended thanks to the 5 settings for coffee strength, including extra strong, strong regular, mild and extra mild. For more information, check out the description underneath the video. Halfway of our list at number 3. Seiko HD885747. Only the Seiko Xprelia Evo espresso machine delivers the ultimate milk experience thanks to the new H2 technology milk carafe and the full bean-to-cup customization. From frothy cappuccinos to creamy lattes, brewing authentic coffee bar specialties is simpler than ever with this advanced machine. It makes your favorite steamed and froth drinks at the touch of a single button, and thanks to a new state-of-the-art frother, the extra hot milk is aerated with superfine bubbles for the ultimate froth. Nearing the top of our list at number 2. DeLonghi Prima Donna S Deluxe ECAM 26455M. The ECAM 26455M uses an integrated frothing system and the milk container in order to immediately deliver to your cup both the right amount of frothed or steamed milk and freshly brewed espresso. The ECAM 26455M features dual stainless steel line thermoblock heating in order to provide steaming and brewing power for your espresso and other drinks you wish to prepare with it with a very low cycling time. Compared to regular boiler systems, the thermoblock system is capable of much lower warm-up times paired with on-demand and efficient water usage. And coming in at number 1 of our list. Gaggia 13380 Academia Espresso Machine. The new Gaggia 13380 Academia is certainly going to help you rise through the ranks when it comes to preparing the perfect espresso shot. Incorporating a bright display, a durable metal frame and a front panel made of stainless steel, this model is both charming and refined. You also get programmable push-button controls for milk, hot water and espresso outputs, and given the fact that the 13380 Academia dispenses great beverages on demand, it's great for those who don't like to wait for long before their drink is ready. For more information, check out the description underneath the video. Thanks for watching our video. For more, subscribe to our channel.